This slim retractable ceiling fan combines a modern low-profile design with clear folding blades that virtually disappear when not in use, giving the room a clean, uncluttered look. The direct current motor delivers strong airflow while staying impressively quiet, so it keeps bedrooms and living spaces comfortable without an annoying hum. Both the fan and the integrated light can be fine-tuned through the remote control or smartphone application, with multiple speeds, dimming options, and separate timers that make daily use very convenient. The reversible 6-speed fan settings let you push cool air down in summer and gently recirculate warm air in winter, improving comfort throughout the year and helping your heating and cooling work more efficiently. The built-in light offers 3 adjustable color tones and a wide brightness range using eye-friendly full-spectrum technology that is noticeably easier on the eyes for reading or working. Installation is straightforward for a do-it-yourself project, thanks to a compact housing and clear instructions that allow one person to mount and wire the fan without much trouble.